Hello, I'm Sharon Calvert, and I'm running for Hillsborough County Commission District 2. I'm a native Floridian, a 35-year resident of Hillsborough County, and I've spent 30 years in the private sector. And I believe it's time for a new face and new ideas on our county commission. The most pressing issue that the county commission continues to have today is jobs. We must get our county working again. And I believe that a level playing field of low taxes, reduced regulation, and reduced fees will create a business-friendly environment for job creation. I believe in our free markets, not government spending. And while we're growing that economy, we also must ensure that we are good stewards of all tax dollars. Therefore, I believe we must not only be fiscally responsible, as we have to balance our budgets, but also fiscal accountability. Let's put our checkbook online and let the taxpayers see where the money's spent and to whom the checks are written. I'm Sharon Calvert. I'm running for Hillsborough County Commission District 2. I'd be honored to have your vote August 14th. I'm Sharon Calvert, and I approve this message.